As a youth, my life was a living hell. I was bullied and beaten. I was called every derogatory name for gay on a daily basis. While at times sympathetic, teachers and administrators did nothing about it. I considered suicide regularly. So why didn't I do it? Because deep down, I knew it gets better. I loved learning in foreign languages in particular. I still do. When I was 17, I went to Paris for the first time on a school trip. It changed my life. I saw what a big, wide, wonderful world there was outside of my limited view of neighborhood, school, and harassment. I saw for the first time that it does indeed get better, but I had to be around to experience it, and so do you. If you need help or just someone to talk to, contact the Trevor Project. It's confidential and it's there just for you. And while you're at it, ask them about GLSEN, or a gay-straight alliance in your area. Today, I'm a proud, openly gay 50-year-old man. My name is Timothy Rose, and I'm Director of Communications for Equality Maine, the largest political organization in the state working for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender equal rights, and I am here to tell you, it gets better. There's only one way to find that out, kiddo. You've got to stick around. The world would be so much less without you. It gets better.